Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. Today we are doing coconut cream. Okay, it is very simple and easy recipe. You can use this if you are on dairy for frostings. You can use it for ice creams. It's so delicious and homemade is better. I tell you, come along with me and let's do this. So first of all, as usual, you crack your coconut, okay, and make sure you take the pulp out. So I'm showing you, this is how I do mine. You have different ways of doing it. So this is my pulp, okay. So the next bit is to just cut them into small pieces. You can grate them if you prefer that. I like cutting them. It's quite easy for me. So yeah, cut them into small pieces to help the blender, okay. So yeah, this is it. So I'm going to put that into my blender. But what I do is I measure it like 1 cup is to 1 cup of water, or you can add a little more water if your blender is not that strong enough to blend. So guys, after blending it, I want to save it, okay. So I use my normal sieve to save it nicely. I rinse my blender and add more water to it so that I get enough of the milk, all the milk from my coconut, okay. So guys, I'm sieving it again using cheesecloth, but I'm using my kitchen towel. This is a new kitchen towel, okay, because I couldn't find my cheesecloth. So yeah, I've done it nicely, and then I've got my coconut milk. So this is coconut milk. You can use it for anything else, but I want coconut cream, so I'm going to put this into the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours for the coconut cream to settle at the top. So guys, just look at that. You could see the separation, okay. I did put it into the freezer for about 10 minutes just to make sure I get all my coconut cream, okay. So I just take the cream from the top, as you can see. Yeah, so it's very easy to do. So guys, this is our coconut cream. It's homemade. You know, homemade is good. You know what is in it, so you have to try and make it, okay. You can use it for frostings for your cakes. You can use it for ice creams. You can use it for curries. You can use it for a lot of recipes, and the flavor is intense, okay. This is my next recipe. It's a delicious ice cream, so do subscribe to my channel, okay, and you're going to see this delicious recipe. And please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Like this recipe guys and share it. Thank you so much, and may God richly bless you all. Bye.